Namaste, I am Srinu. We can buy a wonderful book, but we cannot buy knowledge. We can buy a bed, but we cannot buy sleep. We can buy a watch, but we cannot buy time. Time is more value than money. Why? Because if you can get more money in your life, but you cannot get more time in your life. If you are the wasting of your time, it is not wasting of your time, it is wasting of your life. Use your time, otherwise lose your time. Time is free, but it is priceless. We have to utilize our time in everyone's life. Knowing is knowing, doing is doing, planning is planning for better future. Time is major role in every human being life. A day has 86,400 seconds. A day has 1440 minutes. A day has 24 hours. Every minute important, every second important, every hour is important. If you are the rich man, if you are the poor man, if you are the Prime Minister of the India, if you are the President of the America, if you are the leader, if you are the labor, if you are the doctor, if you are the patient, if you are the teacher, if you are the student, if you are the political leader, whatever it may be. If you use a time, T stand for teaching, what is good, what is bad, everything is teaching. Inspire, if you read books, okay, what is good, what is bad, we have to learn and we have to inspire. Motivate, M stand for motivate yourself first. After that we have to motivating other also. E stand for evaluation or empower. Evaluation, we have to evaluation ourselves first. Okay, how much the progress is going on, we have to evaluate ourselves first. Other thing, if you don't use time proper manner, T stand for tears, I stand for in, M stand for my, A stand for eyes. Tears in my eyes. That's why we have to utilize our time first. If you want to value of a second time, ask who lost Olympics a gold medal or silver medal. He knows the value of the 1 second. If you want to value of a minute, ask who missed the train, who missed the flight, and who failed in the exams. Ask them, they know the value of a minute. If you want to value of an hour, ask who preparing for the exam and who prepared for the entrance exam, IAS, IPS, Group 1, Group 2, whatever. They know the value of hour. If you want the value of a month, ask a pregnant lady. She knows what is the value of month, first month, second month, third month, fourth month. She is waiting for the 9th month. They know. If you want the value of a year, ask who failed in the academic exam. He has been waiting for the next year. Why? Because he failed in the academics. There is no exam. If you want to ask to the farmer, and if he lost the agriculture crop and he is waiting for the next year also. That's why this is the, if you want to value of second, minute, hour, month and year, every time, every moment, every time is the important thing. Every time is the important. If you take the sports or games, sports is the individual activity, games is the team activity. Sports, long jump, high jump, running, everything depend on timing. Running, how many seconds we have to complete the running, 100 meter, 200 meter, 800 meter. If you go to the games, the games have the timing also. Kabaddi, Kho, how much time we have to put, the 8 minutes, 9 minutes, whatever. Everything depends on the time. What is good time, what is bad time? There is no good time, there is no bad time. It is in your hand. Whatever you do, that is the good time. Whatever you did not do, you don't do, that is the bad time. You think like that. But there is no good time, there is no bad time. Every time is stability. Time has the stability, but we cannot have the stability. That's why what is, and periods also, present, past, future. Learn from the past. Past is experience, present is experiment, future is expectation. That's why we have to learn more and more from the past. We have to do the experiment in the present, and we have to expect in the future. There are the many things, there are the many time killers in our life. If you take the chatting and talking and the Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, social media, the time killers, we have to control our time. When we are the chatting each other, when we have the chit chat each other, when we are the sleeping, okay, we have to control ourselves first. When we manage the time, and the time manage your life. Time is valuable, time is priceless, time is most valuable thing in every human being life. That's why what I tell you, my good suggestion is, utilize your time in your life. The life depends on your time, the time depends on your life. That's why plan for your better future. Thank you. Namaste. Jai Hind. Thank you for listening, all of you. Jai Hind. Bye.